Hey guys, let's talk about the SQ11 Mini DV Camera battery life, okay? So the question is, how long does the battery last for this camera? The SQ11 operation manual says that it lasts for 60 minutes. And I've been testing this, so basically I just charged the camera. You need to just grab the cable that it comes with the camera, this one, and connect here to this port, okay? So basically here I have the ports to connect the cable and charge the camera for 2 to 3 hours, depending on how much charge you still have on the camera, right? After charging the camera, you enable motion detection, just like I show in the other video that I have here on the channel, and it starts recording for 60 minutes, all right? As long as you have the card with the capacity for that, of course. I also have another video here in the channel showing how to use the SD card here on this SQ11 Mini DV camera. So basically, you're gonna have 60 minutes of video being recorded here on this camera, okay? So that answers the question about the SQ11 Mini DV camera battery life. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.